All right, we back with another video, right? What we doing today, we're gonna practice our circles, right? So we're gonna be wheeling in the circles to learn the balance, man. And it's gonna help us, right? To find that perfect balance point when we're doing regular sit down wheelies, right? So Mighty Man Gang, here we go. So that's it. You see, I'm learning how to wheelie in circles, and I'm learning my freaking knee knockers, right? You know what I'm saying? Everything coming together. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna just keep on practicing. After we finish the 30-day wheelie challenge, then we're gonna go right into knee knockers, and I'm out.